Bhavna's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you aloo matar curry into the electric pressure cooker. So let's begin. Wash and cut the tomatoes roughly into the cubes. Peel, wash and cut the potatoes, aloo. So here I have frozen peas, thawed already, potato and tomato ready. First, use saute function and then start. By default it is 20 minutes, but I'm not going to need 20 minutes, but I'm just going to keep it for now and give a tarka. Add a tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add cumin seeds, jeera. Add mustard seeds, rye. When the seeds are done spluttering, add tomato, salt as per your taste, turmeric powder, haldi, ground coriander, cumin, dhania jeera powder, red chili powder as per your taste. Give this all a good stir and let tomato cook. Add garlic paste, ginger paste, and little bit of green chili if desired. Red chili powder is already there, so you don't have to add green chili paste. Stir again. Cover to cook the tomato faster. Let's check the tomato. Tomatoes are cooked well. They have become mushy, as you can see, turning into gravy quickly. So at this time, add green peas, potato, and if you have some fresh curry leaves, do add because it gives great flavor and aroma. I simply love the aroma of curry leaves in my recipes. And tiny bit of garam masala will take your curry to the next level. It's all a really good stir. Look at the color. I simply love the color. Now if you like more gravy in this curry, which is what this curry is all about, rasedar, add just a little bit of water, not too much. You can see that there is already a lot of liquid from tomato in this curry, so just add a little amount of water. Give it a quick stir again. And now cancel the saute function. Cover the pressure cooker. Lock it and be sure the vent is sealed. And now I'm going to use manual function, which is 30 minutes by default. I don't need that much of time to cook this curry, so I'm going to adjust cook time to 10 minutes only and start. Alright, so the cooking is done and the cooker has turned into keep warm mode. I'm going to cancel that. You can allow the cooker to release the pressure naturally, or you can release manually. Carefully open the cooker and look at this curry. As you can see that most of the water remains when you pressure cook. That's the reason I said to add just a little bit of water. For thicker gravy, just mash some of the potatoes. And this curry is ready to serve with paratha, roti, rice. So into the serving handi. Yum. Garnish with coriander leaves, dhania. I'm serving aloo matar curry with paratha today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video making aloo matar curry into the electric pressure cooker. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. And you can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can also buy my cookbook now, Cooking Smart with Bhavna, electric pressure cooker vegan vegetarian recipes. You will learn lots of tips from the book. And also you can download my app Bhavna's Kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is almost everywhere. Stay in touch. Thank you for watching and see you soon.